Hello Indiana Virtual. The purpose of today's video is to give you an introduction to your next lesson, 0308 Health and Genetics. So like always, let's go to the lesson in Buzz and let's open the content. And as we always do, on the very first page, we will scroll down to the bottom and we will open the Health and Genetics Biology Notebook. Okay, we can also go to our Google site website and we can open the Google Notebook there. And so I went ahead and did that, and let's take a look at the topics that you're going to learn about in health and genetics. So we begin looking at and reading about genetic factors, and then we move to infectious disease, and then preventing infectious diseases. We will move on to healthy lifestyle and exercise and diet, and then substance abuse. Then also sun protection, and then cancer. Okay, you also have a couple of sample practice questions here that you can answer as well. Okay, so let's go back to the lesson. Okay, so you're going to begin on the introductory page here, reading about health and genetics. So once you have read through that, then we're going to go on to the next slide. You can see we have 5 slides here, so we will go on to slide 2 of 5. Okay, you will read about genetic factors. We will tie the topic back to sexual reproduction, a topic that we have covered some time ago with meiosis. And other topics, other lessons as well. Okay, you will read about infectious disease. So we have infectious agents, characteristics of those infectious agents, and then some diseases that are caused by those specific infectious agents. So we have viruses, bacteria, protists, fungus, and parasites. Okay, then we have some material on preventing infectious diseases, coughing and sneezing, exchange of body fluids, and contaminated water and food. Okay, so make sure that you are constantly going back and forth between your notes page and the lesson and documenting, answers to all of those sort of questions that pertain to the topics covered on each slide. Okay, when you're ready, go on to slide 3. And now you're going to read about a healthy lifestyle, exercise and diet, and then substance abuse. And here on this slide, we have different drug groups, including alcohol, depressants, stimulants, hallucinogens, marijuana, club drugs, inhalants, steroids, and tobacco. Okay, when we move across the table, we have general information of each, effects, and then examples of drugs and products within that category. Okay, so make sure you document that information in your notes. And then we will go on to slide 4. Slide 4, we have sun protection and cancer. At this point, there's an interactive here, a manipulative, that you'll be able to scroll through using your purple arrows. And it's information that has been gathered from a survey, and granted the survey's been some time ago, 2007, a survey on different teen statistics and health and wellness. So, okay, once you have finished reading that, then we will go on to the final page. And here you'll have a short summary on health and genetics. And you'll see the assignment here is not listed on this page. The assignment is much like a previous one, that you will click onto where you turn in the assignment, and you're going to click on the Start button. And you actually have some short answer questions for this one. So if we go back to our website, here I've got kind of a brief introduction or description as to what this assignment is about. In this lesson, you will explore how heredity and family history impact health. After working through this lesson, you will be able to explain how individual and public health are affected by environmental and genetic factors. You will submit responses to 3 short answer questions for grading. And this assignment is worth 15 points. So very similar to a previous assignment that you had some opinionated questions that you answered certain things you would or wouldn't do or try or not try in terms of genetically modified foods. This is sort of an assignment like that. It's a short answer assignment. So you'll have 3 short answer questions that you will submit for grading. So if you have any questions, please make sure you send me an email, and I will get back with you. All right? Thanks, guys. Bye.